it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a special opportunity. You're going to want to give me a few minutes of your day because you're not going to want to miss out on this one. I love quilts that have hearts and houses and beautiful florals. And well, this quilt has all of that, designed by Barb from Coach House Designs. And she did this beautiful coloring just for Shabby Fabrics. And we're really excited. This is called Love Blooms at Home. And isn't that the truth? That is where love blooms, with the relationships, the conversations, the happy, the sad, and everything in between. So I just love the beauty of this quilt. I love the name of the pattern and everything it stands for. So let me tell you how you can be a part of this really special opportunity. Right now, fabric is headed this way. We got enough sample fabric here to test out Barb's amazing pattern, and you're seeing that quilt here. Your kit will have these exact fabrics as well as now a proofed pattern written by Coach House that really is not available anywhere else. In addition to that, you have a beautiful backing option. If you're going to do this much work with all this intricate patchwork, and you'll be so proud to display that, it's always lovely to have the perfect backing. And of course, that's what this is here. We all know that with Moda Fabrics, we really get one shot at putting in that purchase order, and that's it. So the amount of kits that we order for, we cannot add to. So if you already know, I have to have that quilt, just stop the music, as they say. Head to the website right now to make that small deposit, just $10 toward the cost of your kit, so that one of these will have your name on it, and then $5 toward the cost of the backing. Once everything is carefully put together just for you, we bill you for the difference and head that your way. I love that. I love when I get to make a small deposit and know I get to look forward to something in the future. These are the notions that we use to put together our sample quilt, and you can see it's really not a lot. It's probably things you might already have in your sewing room, but let me call your attention to the ones that we knew were really difference makers for us. And that, of course, is that precise quarter and seam allowance, being able to really dial that in. I love using my seam guide setter to just get that quarter inch so consistent. And the diagonal seam tape, you've probably seen me sew with that. This kind of like this runway that helps us get lined up good and early. Everything's going in straight into that needle, into that presser foot. So that really has helped me, as well as patchwork pins, the fresh blade in the rotary cutter, a nice fresh needle in the sewing machine, and of course your favorite thread, whatever that might be. We used Aurifil on this one. And any specialty rulers that you know are just kind of your go-tos. This is what we used right here. But as I say every time, and especially when it's a quilt made with Moda fabric, head to the website right now to make your $10 deposit toward your quilt, $5 toward your backing, and while you're there, just grab any notions you might need. And thank you again for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you this very extra special quilt by Coach House Designs.